Clean a CD Rom drive, CD cleaner. You may be wondering why your computer is not recognizing your CD Rom drive. You want to have a DVD disc and you want to play it, but the CD Rom is not responding. Now you worry that your hard drive is not working as it should be, and replacing it will mean quite a cost on your part. You also suspect virus. With virus, the whole system of your computer can be paralyzed. But wait. Before you imagine all the ugly possibilities, take a look at your CD Rom drive. Consider this one, clean it. Sometimes CD Rom drives can get so dirty that the dirt, when stuck in the ridges of the player, can intervene with the setup. Follow the tips given here on how to clean a CD Rom drive. Bring out the tools needed in cleaning your CD Rom drive. You need to use a screwdriver, a can of compressed air, cotton swabs and unused small paintbrush. Have a tray nearby also where you can deposit the parts of the CD Rom drive that you have dismantled. You may also want to use a CD laser cleaning kit. This kit can be purchased from electronics suppliers or computer parts dealers. Test run the CD Rom drive before opening it. Take note of the irregularities of the sound that may indicate its defects. Detach the CD Rom drive from the CPU. This should be easy to do considering that the drive is only mounted and inserted in a gap in front of the CPU. If there are screws, remove them with the use of the screwdriver. Set the screws aside on a tray so you will not lose them. Slowly pull out the CD Rom drive from the CPU. Next, set it down on a tabletop for cleaning. Inspect the CD Rom drive of dust and dirt particles. Sometimes there are dirt particles that are lodged in the ridges. The best thing to remove these objects is by applying pressure. Use the can of compressed air to dislodge the dirt. If you have no compressed air, well, some people just close their eyes, aim their mouths on the area and blow hard. You may do that too, but be careful not to inhale the dirt and make sure you have no allergy to dust so it will not be triggered when you blow off the dust. Use the small brush paint in dusting the inner sides of the CD Rom drive. Use outward strokes so the dust is brushed out of the compartment. See to it also that the brush does not fall off. You do not like to leave brush strands in the CD Rom drive, as it will get caught when a disc is playing. Swab off the corners that are hard to reach. Dip the tip of the swab in alcohol or water, making sure though, that it is not dripping wet. Insert in the innermost parts of the CD-ROM drive and wipe off the area. Finish cleaning by wiping the whole surface of the CD-ROM drive with lint cloth. If you have a laser cleaning kit, you will note that the kit includes a piece of lint cloth. Use this in buffing the surfaces of the CD-ROM drive. Return the CD-ROM drive in its place. Gently push it back in its allotted space in the CPU. Return the screws as well. Test run by playing any of your CDs. If, despite cleaning and your CD-ROM drive still malfunctions, ask an expert technician to look into the problem. Do not attempt to do the task on your own if you are not really sure how to do, as it might lead to the destruction not only of your CD-ROM drive but your whole computer set.